Hello guys, how are you? My name is Sulaiman Khan and today we are going to discuss gold market, a very deep analysis. This would be the little bit long video, but I hope so that if you will follow this video, you are at the level of your trading will also be risen and will also be good in future, and also it will be help out you in the trading purposes. And the second thing is that I hope so that you guys are watching my previous videos and my analysis regarding inflation, all these things, and thanks God, the market is moving like that, how I am predicting. But it is all about the market. My all videos are basically for the educational purposes. So guys, if you guys want to took the trade on the behalf of my videos, it's on your personal behalf. So always follow money management and always learn how to trade. So guys, right now let's move towards the goal. Right now I have opened a monthly time frame chart, and today I'm going to tell you some important things about the gold, because a lot of people, they are used to trade in the gold market, but they are still confused that where to enter in the market. So right now I have opened a monthly time frame chart. So if you guys look at here, and now right now you guys can see previously this candle, this bearish candle, market comes downside, and right now again with the this month candle, this monthly candle, today is 21st, till though a few days are left in the closing of this monthly candle, but it looks like that market is trying to create a dojis or like these type of candle. So this whole week or this whole month will be very much important. If market will create here a doji or pin bar candle, the next candle maybe will give us the closing or like that in this way, or again we can look for the bullish side. So this is the first thing regarding on the behalf of monthly analysis. Now if why I'm saying that if market will create here a doji or pin bar candle, then we can look for the buy trade. The reason is that if I will draw some trend lines with you guys on the weekly monthly time frame chart, then you will get the answer. So first of all, I will open the line chart here to get the better results. So on the if I will open the line, I will open the line chart. So here you guys can see that right now market is approximately on the upper side, and on the downside the market is approximately is creating is right now above our trend line, is above our trend lines. So if it's right now the downward trend line, this is also supporting gold market to moves upside, and the upper trend line is also supporting gold to moves upside. So if I will make it a little bit more comfortable, so then things will be much more clear to you guys. So right now you guys can see here. Then after that I will also tell you about the levels where you have to look for the buy trades, where you have to look for the sell trades, so don't miss it out. So right now guys, if you look at on the monthly time frame chart, so you guys can see that until market will break 1800 level or 1780 or 1790 level, I will suggest you for a long term, until market breaks 1790 level, you have to keep entering into a buy trade. This analysis is just for the monthly time frame chart. If you are using the long-term trades, so you can use your stop loss 1780 and you can hold your trades on the upper side. Now if you will look at on the behalf of daily time frame chart or weekly time frame chart, if you will look at here on the weekly time frame chart, the same thing market is behaving. Now here the things will be much more clear and easy for you. You guys are seeing here that market is again and again, firstly market tries to gives us closing below the upper trend line, but the downward trend lines gives the support to the gold, and again market moves upside, again market retests the upper trend line, and again market is trying to move upside. But today we are looking again for a sell trade, and why I am looking for a sell trade, you will get the answer when I will try to study the daily time frame chart. So guys, first of all, I will also tell you one more thing on the behalf of analysis. Whenever you have to do the analysis, the most important thing in the analysis is basically the trend of the market. If you know the trend of the market, if you have the knowledge of the trend of the market, then things will be easy for you. Now you know there are three types of trends in the market: uptrend, downtrend, and sideways. Now if you look at on the previously on a daily time frame chart, you guys can see here, from here if I will mark here 1786, when the market gold rally starts from here, and market moves till 2070 or 2060 or something area. You are seeing that market was creating the higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So this is called the uptrend of the market. From here market again falls and gives us a retest. From here again market was in the consolidation zone area from 1910 till 1950. This was the consolidation zone area. Again market slightly moves upside and market comes to the confusion area, or this was the retracement level. 1970 was the retracement level from this area to this area, and from here again market starts downtrend. How we know that market starts downtrend? Here you will see the market was creating lower low, lower high, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows, lower highs, and lower low. But here again market has tried to change its trend, and market was stuck in between that. I thought here that maybe this way from here market will create move like that. Market will create a higher high, higher low, and again market will move like that, higher highs and higher lows, and again market will test this confusion area, that was 1980. But instead of doing that thing, market was just stuck in between that. So this area becomes the confusion area for us. That area is 1842 till 1837 till approximately 1860. So what we will call this area, this is basically the confusion area. Now what will you do in future, guys? Today I am looking for a sell trade. In morning I have we have yesterday I have look I have entered we have entered in the buy trade at 1835 or something, and we have secured very good profits. 1830, 1843 till until 1843 we have secured very good profits. But right now guys, what I want to say to you, I will say to you, until market breaks this area, either upside or either downside. Basically this is the, if I will make it a little bit dark, then things, yeah, now it's clear. Basically from here, instead of going market was not in the particular trend, either not market was in a uptrend, not in the downtrend. This is what it is called, market was in a sideways. So whenever market is in a sideways, you have to stay away from the market if you are not that a professional. As I mentioned that we are right now in the sell trade. Why I'm interested in sell trade? That is a lot of reasons. So for these type of signals you have to join our VIP. For that educational purpose, I'm telling you that until market will break this area, if market will break this area from the downside also we have the two trend lines that are supporting gold. So that's why I will suggest you that below 1790 or 1780 you have to enter in a sell trade. Otherwise you can enter here in a scalping buy trade. And from upper side, until gold market will break 1880 level, until that you should not have to trade if you are not a good trader, because this is the consolidation type area. So you have to stay away from the market. I hope so you have liked this video. If you have any questions, you guys can DM me personally on Rio Suleiman on Telegram, and you can contact us on the Facebook, Instagram, other pages. Thank you very much guys, stay blessed.